Welcome to NACo's County Countdown. I'm Mark Rattacco, NACo's Chief Government Affairs Officer, running through the top issues that are important to counties as intergovernmental partners. First up, counties are managing hurricane response even as we prepare to administer the 2024 elections. As we all know, two major hurricanes have hit the southeastern United States this year, devastating communities just weeks before the November elections. Hurricane Helene, which made landfall on September 23rd, is now the second most deadly hurricane after Katrina. Not only are counties at the front lines of managing disaster response, but we are also responsible for administering the upcoming election. This issue was covered in the latest County News, NACo's in-house newspaper publication, and NACo will continue to monitor the election administration challenges ahead of the November general election. Next, the Medicaid inmate exclusion policy. NACo continues to advocate for reform of the Medicaid inmate exclusion policy. A report from earlier this year examined the implementation of California's Medicaid Section 1115 reentry waiver across 11 counties. This waiver, the first of its kind in the nation, provides Medicaid-covered health services to individuals transitioning out of incarceration. The report highlights the waiver's potential to reduce opioid overdose deaths and improve the health care access for up to 80% of people being detained. The implementation of pre-release Medicaid coverage in California is reshaping how counties nationwide approach reentry healthcare, and NACo is working hard to share this story with federal policymakers. Next up, passenger rail funding. On October 1st, the U.S. Department of Transportation's Federal Railroad Administration announced over $1 billion in funding through the Federal-State Partnership for Intercity Passenger Rail Program, building on a previous $8.2 billion investment. This program aims to expand and modernize intercity passenger rail outside the Northeast Corridor, addressing infrastructure backlogs and improving performance. Many counties serve as key transportation hubs, with rail networks driving local and regional economies, and counties directly support over 1/3 of the nation's transit systems. Counties value federal funding opportunities like the FSP that help us meet our vast public infrastructure responsibilities and improve our rail systems. And finally, solid waste infrastructure funding. The EPA has announced $58 million in funding through the Solid Waste Infrastructure for Recycling Grant Program, aimed at improving local infrastructure for waste and recycling management. Funded through the Bipartisan Infrastructure Law, this program helps counties reduce landfill use, cut greenhouse gas emissions, and promote recycling. Counties like Chaffee County, Colorado, Durham County, North Carolina, and Chemung County, New York have already benefited from this program, using funds to enhance recycling facilities and reduce waste contamination. Counties can apply for grants by December 20th, 2024. Thank you for watching, and visit naco.org for all the latest information and resources.